my name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today I have a plan, but I don't know, I ended up taking out a lot of different makeup that I may or may not use, so I don't know if we're gonna stick to the plan. My nephew turned 2 last week and today I'm going to his birthday party and it's Cookie Monster themed, so of course I'm gonna go with the theme and I want to do like blue and brown, you know, like Cookie Monster and chocolate and cookies and all that. Okay, so I'm going to start with my dollar store brush and my Too Faced Semisweet chocolate bar. I don't understand why they recently discontinued this. I love this one. I know it's very neutral, but I don't know, I like the pop of blue, I like the pink sugar shade that's like all glittery, and then I kind of use the other shades for like helping out other palettes and other colors. So I just did coconut cream just to set it down. So basically what I'm saying is that even if you don't have this one, you can use similar shades and be fine, but it does smell like chocolate. Or rather, it smells like, you know the hot cocoa packets from like Swiss Miss? That's more what it smells like. Next I'm going to take my fluffy brush from Wish and go into the peanut butter shade. So I didn't understand how well like orange looked with blue. Like, I know they're complementary colors, but I never realized how good they look together until this palette. Putting the blue next to the like orange tone, I don't know, it brings it out in a different way. And sometimes what I'll do, I'll just go in with like straight orange or a even more orange brown and then pair that with blue and like dark brown. I'm just going to put some more in, be a little more precise with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it. This may or may not be a mistake, and I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to go into, this is definitely going to hit me in the face, I'm going to go into Backstage by Colourpop. It's a matte blue. Oh yeah. So usually I like having a harsher crease with, say, a blue eyeshadow. I don't know, I just like the look of it. I also find it harder to blend because it's like the furthest from your skin tone. So like with a green you can blend into like a yellow, with a pink you can kind of just blend right in, and with a purple you can blend into the pink, and basically anything else you can blend it into something else more easily, like a transition that will blend into your skin. But blue is the most difficult, but I think this looks good. So the star of the show today is going to be Prussian Blue from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Do I want to just put it all over my lid? I might. Oh, isn't that nice? I think I'm going to start in here, in my inner third, and just kind of start going all the way across. Wow. You know what, maybe I will add some brown. One of my favorite shades in here is Cocoa Chili. See, it has like a gold sparkle in it, which if you're careful, it will stay on at least for a while. I hate shades where like they're matte or satin and then they have the glitter and the glitter doesn't stick around. It makes me so mad. This is my IBY crease brush. No, this isn't my crease. Yes, I know that. But I will stick a little bit in the crease. To deepen things up. Making a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. And then I will take it on my pinky and do more of a pressing kind of motion. And that way the glitter sticks around a little longer rather than swiping. And I'm just going to go in with my fluffy brush from Wish and go into peanut butter again and carefully light blend it out a little bit more. For my brow bone highlight, I want to go with something that's like a little bit off-white. So I'm going to go into my dollar store brush, and I'm going to go into Disco from the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette. Why did I not put my hair back? Lower lash line fun time. BH Cosmetics brush number 5, and I'm going to go back into Prussian blue and carefully go along. I'm going to go along the whole lash line for starters. And then I'm going to go into Cocoa Chili for the outer portion. And maybe I'll even try to blend it out a little bit with the peanut butter shade. Just a touch. I changed my mind. I want to go a little bit darker, so I'm going back with the IVY crease brush, and I'm going to go into the original chocolate bar from Too Faced and go into Triple Fudge, which is just a matte, very dark, cool tone brown. Not that I follow the makeup rules anyway, but this definitely doesn't look like I'm going to a 2-year-old's birthday party in the middle of the afternoon. Alright, so both eyes are done. As I did the other eye, and I, started repeating all the steps again, I think I would have liked it better, or I know I would have liked it better, but that's okay. If I had just left the peanut butter shade, the Backstage shade, and then maybe kept something dark on this side but lighter on this side. But then of course I wouldn't have used the Prussian blue, which I definitely wanted to use today. So I still like it, but I think I would have liked that option better. So that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is that you're doing. Bye!